Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Hagerly. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the engines of the language, verbs. These are action words that help you express what you're doing, where you're going, what you want, etc. etc. We have selected the most common verbs we use in everyday life to help you get started in formulating real sentences, and they all start with the me family. So let's get active. To go,
መሄድ
to come,
መምጣት
to run,
መሮጥ
to walk,
መራመድ
to enter,
መግባት
to eat,
መብላት
to drink,
መጠጣት
to sleep,
መተኛት
to work,
መስራት
to wash,
መታጠብ
to speak or talk,
መናገር
to listen,
ማዳመጥ
to read,
ማንበብ
to write,
መጻፍ
to ask,
መጠየቅ
to know,
ማወቅ
to like or to love,
መውደድ
to see,
ማየት
to understand,
መረዳት
to want or to seek.
መፈለግ
ሰላም ኤልዳና፣ ዛሬ ምን ትሰሪያለሽ?
ዛሬ ብዙ ስራ እሰራለሁ። አንተስ?
እኔ መጽሐፍ አነባለሁ።
ጥሩ ነው። ምሳ መብላት ትፈልጋለህ?
አዎ፣ ውሃ ጠምቶኛል፣ መጠጣትም እፈልጋለሁ። In the Amharic grammar, the verb is almost always placed at the end of the sentence. While in English we say, I drank water, the Amharic literal translation is, water I drank. Wuha ጠጣው. This subject-object verb, or SOV, order is the key characteristics of the language. Now, let's see if we can identify these actions. How do you say to work?
መስራት
How do you say to eat?
መብላት
What does ማወቅ mean?
to know
How do you say I want?
እፈልጋለሁ
And lastly, how do you say to read?
ማንበብ
Great job, you guys. So, three things. First, verbs are the most powerful tools in your vocabulary because they allow you to describe your life and what you need. Two, by mastering verbs and putting them at the end of a sentence, you are making a huge stride in your Amharic learning journey. And three, if you've had any questions with regards to how to conjugate these verbs in your day-to-day language, leave them on the comments below and we'll make sure to answer them. Bye for now and see you in the next video.